All right, we're going to do chapter 1 together. So if you're in your sin gauge, you will go to chapter 1, and we will be doing the accounting in real world. That's on Canvas, so you'll just complete that. Lesson 1.1, this is if you want to look at the book and find the answers or how to do it. Very good resource. So we're going to do work 1.1 together. So in accounting, we have what is called the accounting cycle. And it is all about our assets, our liabilities, and our owner equity. So with that, we're going to fill out, Megan Feiner received a college graduate application for a credit card. The net worth, the net worth is her owner equity, or what we call capital. Megan owns a scooter, so that is an asset. Asset is anything that is physical or tangible that you could get for money. And she has $800 in her checking account, which is cash. She owes JC Auto $920. So this is what's called a liability. A liability is what I need to pay to somebody. We call these the accounts payable a little later. So I always think of it as an account, and then I'm going to have to pay it at a different time. So she owes the auto company, and she also owes River College. Then we complete her net worth statement for Megan Feiner. So we're going to come right here. We're going to put in Megan's name, and we're going to put in her net worth statement. And then we're going to say it is for the current date. So when you hear about Bill Gates being worth billions of dollars, this is how they're calculating it. He's just going to have a lot more stuff on it. So the first thing is our assets. So anything that is worth money. And we found that out. Oh, make sure it has assets with an S on the end there. So we have cash, which she had in her bank account of $800, right up here, $800. And then she has her scooter. All right, so that's $2,000. And then we're going to say what her total assets are. So how we do that is we add these two together, so $2,800. Then we're going to put in our liabilities. Remember, this is who she owes money to. So she owes it to JC Auto for $920. And then she also owes it to River College for $125. She's going to pay this later. And then you have your total liabilities. I don't know why I keep misspelling that. There's an S on the end. There we go. So we're going to add these two together. So 1,045. And then this is what your net income is. This is the actual definition of capital or your owner's equity. That's how it will be said, owner's equity, in your test at the end of the year. But it's pretty much your net worth. And what we do is we take our assets. So Bill Gates has like billions of dollars in patents, in computers, in houses, and all that. So we would add up all the assets, and then you have to pay people. So he takes loans out. He has a loan out on his house. He has a loan out on a car or something like that. And so we have our liabilities, and we subtract those from our assets. And so then we would have a net worth. So 1,755, if you subtract total assets from total liabilities. So this is to get you guys recognizing and looking at what the three categories are. So assets is anything of worth. So cash, supplies, we're going to be using a lot. Prepaid insurance. Insurance is an asset because let's be honest, if you get in a car accident or if you go to the doctors or something like that and you don't have insurance, it's going to cost you more money. So insurance is an asset. We have one that's called accounts receivable. This is when people take a loan out through you. We still count on that money coming back to us, but that's just a little bit of an asset. Liabilities, again, are anything that I have to pay somebody back. I've done a payable. And then your owner equity, which is called your net worth. We also call it capital when we get a little further down in here, is assets subtract your liabilities. So with that, you click save and continue, and then you do the on your own. After you're done, I'm just going to click continue save with all. After you are done, you're going to click I am done with this assignment now, and you click on it and it will tell you your score. Again, this does not count towards a grade. Work togethers do not count towards your grade, but your applications do. So if you have any questions, this is just 1.1. We're going to do 1.2 and then 1.3. So I'm going to break these all up, so watch the other two videos.